Now, if you have this understanding of breakbeat, and you like your beats funky, you like your bass dirty, and you like the drums to smack, then the bass planet is where you belong at. So if you're ready to come along, join me for a little something like this. In your seat, we're here to bring the heat. Destination, planet base, still home of our big beats. I'll be your tour guide. They call me Flipside. Connect the tune that's moving you, elevating your body while passing. Are y'all ready for the heat that's dropping? Are y'all ready for some body rocking? B-boys and girls popping and locking, energy electro shocking. Can't wait to get there, my friend. Partying all night till the very end. Then jet off to another spot, 24/7. This planet rocks.
What?